Good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Darshan Nalwar from Government Polytechnic Hubli. I am here to explain the classification of sensors and transducers. We all know about the sensors and transducers. Primarily we'll study the meaning of sensors. What are sensors? Sensors is an element which produces a signal relating to the quantity being measured. Upcoming to the next we'll define the transducers. It is defined as an element which subjected to some physical changes experience a related change. Now we'll classify the sensors and transducers accordingly. We'll classify the sensors, classification of transducers, and we'll classify the digital transducers. In classification of sensors, we'll study the humidity sensors. It is used to sense the humidity, uses in the medical, automobiles, etc. Pressure sensor is used to sense the pressure. It is used in vacuum pumps, liquid pressure, etc. Displacement sensors are used to sense the displacement. The most commonly it is used in LVDT. Velocity sensor, these sensors are used in microphones, electronic keyboards, etc. Force sensor, these are used in the measuring of compression, force, strain and load. Flow sensor, it is used in the measuring of flow rate, blood and oxygen through the blood. Thermal sensor, these are used in the electrical appliances like refrigerators and freezers. Move on to the next. Temperature sensors, these sensors are both are same. Temperature and thermal sensors are same, we used in the electrical appliances. Proximity sensors, these are used in the photo, self-driving cars, anti-crafts systems, etc. Optical sensors, these are found in the electrical field to monitor structures that generate, produce, distribute and convert electrical power. Position sensor, these are used in the many applications like automotive, robotics, medical, agriculture, mobile vehicle, etc. Chemical sensor, these sensors are used in the measured applications like nanotechnology, home detection systems, etc. Environmental sensor, these are used in the measuring, monitoring and recording environmental parameters, etc. And last one is magnetic switch sensor. Magnetic switch sensors are nothing but magnetic sensor commonly in mechanical systems. Proximity sensors like doors, window sensors is bulgar, alarm, etc. As we all seen the classification of sensor, now we'll move on to the next part, that's our transducers. Transducers are classified into two types, analog transducers and digital transducers. In analog transducer, we'll classify the electromechanical type, in that potentiometric resistance type, and that inductive type resistance. In inductive type resistance, we'll classify into the self-generating type and non-self-generating type, that is called LVDT. In these are classified into these types. They are capacitive type transducer, piezoelectric transducer, resistance strain transducer, ionization transducer and mechano-electronic transducer. In optical electric transducer, we will classify these: photo emission transducer, photoconductive transducer, photovoltaic transducer. In digital transducer, we will classify these: frequency domain transducer, electromechanical frequency domain transducer, optoelectrical frequency domain transducer, and third one vibrating string transducer, and last one is digital enclosures. If you liked my video, please share, comment and like. Thank you.